just finished replacing Lee's CV axle, and he's test driving to make sure that it actually works because it's a 3-ball from O'Reilly's. It has a lifetime warranty though, so that's nice. What's up, big man?
It's really good. See the picture.
Well, currently we are on the Swell run, the overnight run, led by Kurt Williams. This is day 1, I guess, of proper cruise Moab. So, say hello to my father.
Hello.
It's his first experience doing a proper off-roading event, so I'm not totally sure what his reaction will be yet. But it'll be fun for him.
Loved yesterday.
There you go. We're towards the back of the pack. There are 2 trucks behind us.
Do you?
Yeah, we get a chance.
Let's see. No losses.
because its wheelbase
I think
is longer.
That's what we were joking about. Give us the rock
Lee
stack.
and Sargy passed me of the thing I could.
Yeah, yeah.
Hit me of our rock
I was
stack.
like,
Where not to go. Okay, they had a stack there.
no, I just took a couple of nuisance, right?
I got pictures with Kurt made. Here it is.
There it is.
That's right. Cheers. Yeah.
Cheers.
That's Patches Cup.
Hey, hey, hey. Get in on that. Cheers, guys.
I mean, the viewers gotta be involved.
1,000 subscribers now.
And you know it will. So we cheated and we lied and we tested. We never failed to fail. It was the easiest thing to do. You will survive, be invested. Somebody if I will call it, make me forget about loving you. In the Southern Cross.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Thank you, captive audience.
Thank you. We know who leaves, guys.
There we go.
There, I did get that on video. Well, another day. We're about to run Poison Spider. This is my first time on it. I don't remember if Lee's run it before or not, but it should be.
Right, coming up on a little driver's choice.
Yeah.
The left is kind of the easy line, and the right is a little wedgy.
We switched to a low-powered channel. It looks like there are already people on there, so I'll have to change it once again.
All right, Poison Spider came over the first big obstacle. Lee blew his axle. We asked him what's the plan. He said, carry on, I guess. So we're carrying on.
Alright, here goes. Lee broke his axle on the first obstacle, and he turned around and went the other direction. And we jumped in line with the Slee crew who are running Poison Spider. So we'll link back up with Lee later, and hopefully he'll have a new axle in there. Right now we're bringing up the tail. The guys at Slee were kind enough to stop and at least check on Lee. So we'll see how this all pans out, but so far it's interesting. There's a nice JDM diesel 100 series right there. That's real pretty.
I'm trying. Oh, fuck.
At the moment, the line is so long that they have to spiral around to wait to get up this line. There are more Jeeps behind me.
About to touch your driver's side now. Now you're going to turn around. Keep going straight for a bit. Now you're going to start circling around.
Well, that doesn't sound so good. Lee's working on something else. He got the axle out and replaced it. I'm about to replace mine. And Oregon Trail, rest in peace. He's got some transfer case issues. Feel bad for the guy. We're gonna try to help him out best as we can, but first it's getting our trucks back on the road.
Okay, see me. Yeah. See me.
Take care. Well, just had to disassemble the locker relay for the Eaton. Juan's rear locker wasn't engaging and he needed to check it out to see what was going on. Apparently he's got the yellow wire is inverted on his wiring job, so he'll just have to redo that. Should be a simple fix though for him. Glad I was able to help. But there's his look at that. Sweet. Always good to meet new people. Oh, and so Micah is on the ground underneath his truck. Unfortunately, he blew up a side gear in his 80 series. In the transfer case, actually. Kind of wild. Don't see that too often. But I'm gonna clean all this up and test out the new axle. Fingers crossed that it's not the front diff. Oh no. Oh man. Oh no. Fuck! Ah!
No, it doesn't do it. Yeah, you can literally see the whole truck. What camera is this?
This is a Fujifilm X-T3.
Okay.
It's
That made that a lot easier. That was so easy.
I'm glad. Get you a pair of those, man.
Man, yeah, I need to get a pair of these. These are sweet.
They saved my ass a few times.
Man, it's amazing how nice, like the right tools, how much it helps.
Oh yeah. Hey, well, I found my problem.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
We all die. Do you really want to live forever and ever and ever? Makes you sad, I'm sure. It's all I think about sometimes, oh well. But then I realize all the shitty parts of life